Hello my 3D printer peeps, hello Bambu Lab users, hello Panda Touch users. Today we are going to go through the process of updating the firmware on the BigTreeTech Panda Touch. To do this, you will need a web browser and the IP address of your Panda Touch. To get that IP address, touch the gear icon and touch Network. You will find the IP address of your Panda Touch on the top right of the screen. To get started, go to bttwiki.com/pandatouch, and on the right side of the screen, scroll down and click on Firmware. It will bring you to this screen. At the time of this video, the newest firmware is version 1.03. I will not spend a lot of time reviewing the update notes in order to avoid outdating this video in the future, where this firmware will surely change and be replaced with a new update. Once you've familiarized yourself with the updates, scroll down on the right-hand side and click on How to Update Firmware. You will need to download two files. Go to github.com/bigtreetech/pandatouch to download those files. Once here, download the latest firmware file. At the time of this recording, it is 1.0.3. Click on the firmware folder and download the current version of your firmware. At this time, it is 1.0.3. In here, you will see two files that you will need to download. With those files downloaded, type in the IP address of your Panda Touch into a browser window. I've already done so, and here I am connected to my Panda Touch. We will click Update Firmware. We will click Choose File. Choose the Panda Touch firmware file at this time, version 1.0.3, and click Open. The firmware will immediately update. You will see the Panda Touch is prompting you for the image file. Once done, do not click back. Type the IP address into your browser again and press Enter. Then choose Update File. Choose File and choose the Fat Panda Touch image file. Press Open. That file will automatically begin to process. Once you see Process 100%, Update Succeeded, press OK. Your Panda Touch will now prompt you to begin setup. Press Ignore All, choose your Wi-Fi, and we are back. You can confirm all your printers are still there, and you are running the newest version of the firmware by pressing the gear and looking right here. You will see version 1.0.3. And there you have it. You have successfully updated the BigTreeTech Panda Touch.